Oh, hello guys. We're gonna be doing a YouTube video for all of you guys, and I'm gonna be playing with the playground today, and this is fun. I got my sister over here. Say hello, Anya. Hello guys. I am Elsie's sister, and I love to play with my friends, and they're over there. You should see them, but yes. As you can see, for our playground, we got this little car, and it's amazing. Just to say, we just want to show our trampoline and stuff about the park, because we just know about this because it's so fun. So we're gonna play with it. Yeah, I can do a handstand. Same. So let's do this. Woo! So first we have this playground set. It is really cool. As you can see, I'm gonna go down the slide. And ready? Whee! That is so fun. You should try this. So I'm gonna go back down the slide again. And then ready? Whee! That was so fun. Elsia, show off our friends. Okay. So these are our friends. Chelsea, come say hi. Oh, hi guys. As you can see, I am Elsia and Anya's friend, and I'm Chelsea. I got a sister over there. She's called Abby. She'll show you stuff in a sec. Let's see her. So, yes, I am Chelsea's sister, and I am Abby. So, yes, and I know about lots of stuff, and it's so over here is some. Let me show you. Over here is some playing stuff. We got a hula hoop, a toy baby, a jacket, and a little carrier for the baby. And yes, we got a drink over there for the baby, and we also got this trampoline, and over here we got some fidgets. If you know about them, then maybe we will play with them. And this is a hammock that I made with all of my stuff, and also I didn't have a real hammock, so I made it. And this is the part where we're going to show you how good these puppets are. So first we'll start with this monkey noodle, and it's really nice. It feels so cool. I love it. Next is this fidget spinner, and it spins really fast. Let me show you. Oh, it's not very spinny. Ready? I can't spin it. There we go. It's really spinny. It won't work. But it's really fun to pop as well. I can't show it, but yeah, it's so fun. Next fidget is another fidget spinner, but it's a little bit different. And yes. So next is this poppet. It's a unicorn mini poppet. And also, we have got this big simple dimple, and it's really nice. Look how nice the pops are. So big. Oh, they're so cool. And next we've got this glitter poppet. And this is why I'm showing them, because a lot of people like fidgets. And next is this heart puppet. It's so cool. And next is the last poppet of all is this giant poppet. You see, it's so fun to pop. And now we're going to show you this cut, and I can actually fit in it because it's only for little kids like me. So I'm going to fit in it. It's so fun, like so fun. And I can ride in it, ready? Whee! This is fun! Whee! 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 I'm gonna get out my car, and it is so fun. It's hard to get out here. Oh. Shut the car door, and let's move that to the side. Look how fun this would be. Let me try and move it. So we're gonna show this about again, but I can really fit on this. So I'm gonna go down the slide. Ready? Wee! That was so fun. Now it's time for the swing. I'm just gonna get on the swing. Wee! This is fun. Actually, I'm gonna go a little higher. Here we go. Wee, wee, wee. This is so fun. This is so fun because it's a really good playground. I'm gonna get out. Ooh. Ooh. And it's so fun. I'm just gonna move it back over. Ooh. Ooh. And we've also got this Polly Pocket doll. It's really, really good. Chelsea, just come over for a sec. Yes, and this is Polly. She absolutely looks like me. So if I come down here, it actually looks like me. She's got blue eyes. She's got yellow hair. She has same skin, and yeah. So we're gonna move her over. Anya, do you want to do it? Yes. So, hi again. So I'm gonna be showing you about this baby doll. So let me just put her in around here. This is the baby doll. You can actually rock her now. See? And this we're not going to use right now. So we're going to push it back. Sis, will you come over? Yeah. So I just was going to show you the trampoline. Let me move over. You should be able to see it. Let me jump on it. Whoa, it's so fun. I had to make it just like the hammock, but we did a really good thing. So like what that be? Oh yeah, the trampoline we made out of a blanket, and we made it out of a bath as well, and it's really cool. Yes, and we're going to move it back over. Anyone like this video? If you like this video, like and subscribe, and make sure to give us a load of views. And yes, we're just going to show off one more poppet. So this is another poppet. It's a digger, and yes, so see you guys next time.